Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You must stop writing to the USB now. Every write lowers recovery chances. First, make a full sector image to another drive using DD or DRescue. This preserves the original. Once done, attach the image to your recovery tool and run a quick scan to find recently deleted entries. You do this to avoid destructive changes and to recover metadata faster. Make sure to select read-only mode in Tools and choose file types you need so the scan completes sooner. After the quick pass, run a deep or signature scan to locate fragments and files with missing metadata. This takes longer, but it finds file headers and pieces. That's why you do it. Once the tool lists recoverable items, preview whenever possible. Images and documents usually preview well. Then recover selected files to a different physical drive or folder. Recovering back to the USB risks overriding other recoverable data and reduces success of further attempts. Finish by verifying that recovered files open correctly and that important content is intact. Inspect timestamps and sizes. Once satisfied, create at least one backup on another disk and one cloud copy to prevent repeat loss. If some files are corrupted, try format-specific repair tools or run additional scans on the image for leftover fragments. As a troubleshooting tip, if scans fail repeatedly, avoid further DIY. Clone the drive image and consult a data recovery specialist to prevent permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.